Today I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates from Excel, and we're going to start by removing duplicates in this data set. If you look at this data, you are going to see a lot of repetitions. For instance, there is John Doe here. We also have John Doe here, and we also have it here. We also have Jen Smith down here, and we also have another Jen Smith here. So if you have this type of data and you want to remove the duplicate, all you have to do is first you select the data from where you want to remove duplicates. Next, you go to the data ribbon. Here you can see the tool for removing duplicates. You click on this. This is going to show you a dialog box, and if you look below, you can see columns. These are the columns for the data that we selected. We have the name, email, and city. So keep in mind, if you are only interested in removing duplicates in any given cell, then you have to leave that particular cell checked. For instance, if your interest is in removing duplicates in names, then you just leave only the name checked. But if you want to have unique records across all the columns, then you need to check all the whole columns. So I'll simply click OK. And from this dialog box, you can see that 8 duplicate values found and remain. So what is remaining now is 7 unique values. So you click OK, and the duplicates have been removed. Let's take a look at another example. In this example, we have students' records. But before we go ahead and start removing duplicates, it's important to understand that in this case, matriculation number is meant to be unique for each student. So when you want to remove the duplicate, your emphasis or your focus should be on matric number. So I'm going to select the data, and I'm already at the data ribbon. So I'll simply go over to the remove duplicate, click it, and I'll only make sure that the matric number is checked. So that means I'm going to uncheck this, uncheck the CGPA, and uncheck the class of degree, and click OK. And this is going to remove the duplicates for me. So in this record now, we have unique matriculation number per record. So this is how we can easily remove duplicate in Excel.